Mayor Kapil, may insinuations na o kaya kung saan-saan sa social media na protector kayo po ng Pogo. Kayo po ay nanalo o masenso dahil sa Pogo.
Bago po ako naging mayor, negosyante na po ako. Hindi ako naging mayor then nag-negosyo, Your Honor.
Wala po akong pakialam doon.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back din sa ating channel dito sa Mobs TV. Alright, sa tayo magbabalik ulit mga kababayan at ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin mga balitang ating nakalap. Pero syempre bago ang lahat, please don't forget to subscribe at pakilike naman po ang ating video ngayon. Alright, sa tuwag na natin patagalin, umpisahan na natin to. Let's go.
Mayor Kapil?
Yes, opo, Your Honor.
Pasensya ka na, Mayor. Narinig ko kanina yung hinaing mo eh. Kung bakit ikaw lang ang nandito at napapahirapan. I'm sorry.
Thank you po.
Tanungin mo yung chairman namin, bakit ikaw lang ang inibita? Wala po akong pakialam doon. Kaya, kayo lang po nandito, kaya pagtsatsagaan ko na pong tatanungin ko kayo. Mayor Kapil, may insinuations na o kaya kung saan-saan sa social media na protector kayo po ng Pogo. At kayo po ay nanalo o masenso dahil sa Pogo. What can you say about that?
Katulad po nung sinabi ko kung we're protecting, sana na-issuean na ho natin sila ng permit nung January 2024. At tayo po ay, sabi ko nga po, at the age of 23, nagnenegosyo na po tayo. Bago po ako naging mayor, negosyante na po ako. Hindi ako naging mayor then nag-negosyo, Your Honor.
Bakit po nung 2024 nyo lang na-issuean ng desist order yung kwan?
Yung pong permit kasi nila, meron pa silang license sa PAGCOR. January 2023 po yung last issuance namin ng mayor's permit. Hanggang December 2023 naman po yung permit ng mayor's permit po.
So for 2023, meron po silang permit from PAGCOR.
Yes, Your Honor.
Would that be correct, PAGCOR?
Yes, sir, for the Thai court area po.
Yes. Kasi darating po ako doon eh. Grand Palazzo Royal ang tawag doon sa 10 hectare na property, di po ba? And it is composed of 42, not 46 buildings.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, 42.
42.
Oh. Siguro isang building lang doon ang para sa Pogo. Di ba, PAGCOR?
Yes, sir. Bali po, wala po doon sa 42 buildings yung licensed po namin.
Nasaan po yung license sa kwan ninyo na Pogo operator?
Nandun po sa isang side po nung left side po, yung Thai Royal Court lang po.
So, Mayor, isa lang yung building na kwan na ginagamit ng license Pogo operator. Yung operations doon sa ibang building, alam nyo po yung Pogo Hub, nandun po yung legal, nandun po yung illegal, nandun po yung scammers. Hindi nyo po ba alam yun?
Ang alam po namin, under sila ng PAGCOR, with respect to PAGCOR po. Alam namin may license sila the whole area po. Kasi magkakatabi lang naman po. Yes, Your Honor.
Narinig mo yung sinabi ni attorney? Isa lang operator ang kwan nila ron. Ang may license. Kasi kung alam po ninyo yung nangyayari dun sa loob, alam ninyo na walang lisensya yung ibang buildings, yung mga nag-ooperate sa ibang buildings. Nandun po yung kalintikan. Hindi nyo po alam yun?
Your Honor, kasi po alam nga po namin na they are monitored by PAGCOR kasi may license po sila from PAGCOR.
Are you trying to tell me, Mayor, na just because they are monitored by PAGCOR, inassume nyo na lahat ng 42 buildings yung operations doon ay minomonitor?
I assume, Your Honor, kasi under the PD 771, the authority of the local government unit was revoked, including the monitoring, the control. Lahat po nasa PAGCOR yung authority and powers, Your Honor.
Kung nagra-grant po kayo ng permits at ipinisinta yung permit na binigay ng PAGCOR, hindi nyo tinitingnan kung para saan yun lang? Nag-assume na lang kayo na para sa operations ng 42 buildings?
Yes, Your Honor, kasi kasi nakatayo na po yung Thai court at nandun po ang first operation nila. Nung tinatayo naman po yung mga building na yan, nandun na po ang PAGCOR. Kaya we assume na they know the construction, kasi po magkakatabi lang po naman.
Bakit nyo inassume na alam ng PAGCOR yun? Wala naman sila they do not give permits. They do not issue a construction permit for buildings to be constructed. Hindi naman po sila nag-i-issue ng building permit. Kayo po.
Yes, Your Honor, they applied for
And then yung
building permit.
pag-apply ng business permit, kayo rin po, di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor po.
Bakit hindi nyo po alam?
Actually, meron din po sigurong coordination lapse between the PAGCOR, the other agencies of the government, and the LGU. Kaya isa po siguro yung pwedeng tignan natin in aid of legislation kung ganito pong involve ang national government and the local government, kailangan po talagang magkaroon ng full coordination sila para hindi na po maulit itong ganitong pangyayari.
Alam mo ito, Mayor, would it be true also that you were supposed to have an extension office doon sa Royal Garden Estate, which is a 150-hectare property?
Wala po kaming extension office dun sa area, Your Honor.
But in an investigation, you stated that the abandoned structure was donated by the landowner.
Yun po sana ang plano na i-donate sa LGU yung building na abandoned. Hanggat nung dumating yung raid, hindi na po nagawa. The building is sira-sira, dilapidated, walang tubig, walang kuryente, walang yung mga tiles, walang pinto, kaya talaga pong hindi po nagawa yung plano na magkaroon ng extension office doon. Kasi ang plano po talaga magkaroon ng extension office not for the Pogo but for the whole area. Kasi marami pong mga business establishment doon. Sabi ko nga po, ang entry-exit niya is Angeles para hindi na po sila mapalayo. Kung merong extension office doon na sila mag-deal ng sa mga permit po nila. Pero hindi po nagawa yung ating sanang gustong mangyari na magkaroon ng extension office doon dahil wala po talaga, walang extension office, Your Honor.
So, walang extension office?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero
maybe if we will visit there, I will show you the extension office para po makita nyo na talagang hindi po siya talaga magiging opisina dahil hindi po siya nagawa. That's the plan po, Your Honor. Original plan.
Yeah. Pero, was the donation consummated?
Hindi na rin po dahil hindi po pumayag yung siblings, yung anak, yung mga anak po. Sana yun po ang plano, kaso pinagbawalan po kami ng mga anak.
5 kilometers from that place, may ni-raid din ng mga buildings. A 2-hectare restricted compound. Are you aware of this?
Not really, Your Honor.
Ni-raid ito. Pao, kayo po ba nag-raid dito?
I think if you are referring, Mr. Chair,
Doon sa
po
mayroong
pila,
indoor firing range,
ano po ang nag-raid dyan? Yung local po, sir.
yung local.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
According to reports, Mayor, you did not issue any permit to all of these things.
Yan po ay residential area ng residential
Pakisagot lang po
ng-
yung aking
Yes.
katanungan.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo nag-issue ng mga permit dito? Construction,
Yes, Your
occupancy, lahat?
Yes, Your Honor, kasi hindi naman po sila nag-apply sa amin.
Pwede palang magkaroon ako ng lupa at bahay sa lugar po ninyo na walang permit. Ganun po ba? Kasi yun po ang logic ng kasagutan nyo po sa akin eh.
Siguro po dahil naitago nila yung yung construction kasi kung makikita mo po yun isang yung sinasabing White House, kahit dadaan ko ka doon dahil nasa likod po yung construction o yung ginawa, hindi mo po makikita yung along the highway. Kaya kung hindi lang po talaga i-apply yung construction, yung permit, residential po kasi siya, Your Honor.
Yeah, but lahat po ng construction, kukuha ng permit po sa inyo. Pagkatapos ng construction, hihingi po ng occupancy permit sa inyo. Di po ba?
Actually, Your Honor, if I may refer it to the engineering, kasi sa kanila po nanggagaling yung sa building permit and occupancy permit. Sila yung nag-i-issue po.
Ang ibig nyo bang sabihin, hindi nire-report sa inyo ng inyong engineer?
Siguro po dahil wala ring nai-report sa kanila, sa engineering
So,
na
yung,
there's a construction doon po.
ang sinasabi po nyo, Mayor, yung engineer mo rin, hindi umiikot para tignan yung mga nangyayari sa paligid. Kasi sa amin, masipag yung aming engineer eh.
Hindi naman po siguro. Siguro talagang naitago lang po yung construction.
When did you come to know about the existence of these structures?
Nung pong magka-raid na nagkaroon ng memo si Governor na to check on the baka merong mga pogo po sa area namin. Agad kaming gumawa ng nag-conduct ng joint inspection team. Kaya during the joint inspection team, hindi rin kami pinapasok doon sa area. Kaya sumulat po kami sa aming PNP, PORAC, para sila na po ang mag-conduct ng search. Then they elevated to the provincial. Kaya ang provincial po ang nag-apply for search warrant po dun sa area, Your Honor. In coordination with our Chief of Police.
Nag-conduct kayo ng inspection, hindi kayo pinapasok because of ang sabi ng mga tao, wala po kayong search warrant, di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Bali,
Yes.
tinawagan po nila yung abogado nila. Sabi nila kung may search warrant sila, kung may search warrant kami, papapasukin kami. Pero
Now,
kung wala, yes.
What did you do after that? Wala na?
We wrote to to our local police. Then dun sa letter po namin, siya yung ginamit nila para makapag ano na po ng search warrant, Your Honor.
Yung municipal engineer nyo nandyan,
Yes, Your Honor.
ano ba ang dapat ano yung protocol na susundin nyo pag nalaman nyo na yung isang property, wala lahat permit?
Right, pagka-determine po namin na meron construction doon, Your Honor, nag-issue po kami ng notice of violation.
Did you issue a notice of violation?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And signed by whom?
Ako po, Your Honor.
Ikaw ang may kapangyarihan na mag-issue ng violation?
As per po dun sa building code po, yung building official po ang mag-i-issue po ng notice of violation.
Sinagot po ba yung inyong kwan?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
And what would be your next course of action?
Yung pong as per po dun sa building code, yung series of notices po, yun po yung ginawa namin, Your Honor.
Nasa anong stage na po kayo?
Ito po, yung nakapag-issue na po kami nung last violation, Your Honor. So, susulat na po kami niyan, i-report na namin po kay Mayor through the admin po para mabigyan po namin ng panahon kung ano po yung gagawin namin dun sa hindi pag-report po ng owner.
Mayor, pagbigay sa iyo ng report na yun, ano po ang course of action ninyo?
We'll refer it to our legal team po para kung ano po ang na maybe we can impose penalties po for not complying on the building permit and occupancy permit.
Thank you, Mayor. Kanina, natanong po kayo na isang tanong na hindi nyo nakukuha nito, nakokontrol dahil nandyan na po sila bago kayo naging mayor.
Actually, hindi naman po yung nandyan na sila. Yung sinasabi po namin, yung Thai court existing na po kung saan yung first building po na ginamit nila for the operation of the POGO. Hindi lang po siya na apply ng building permit and occupancy prior nung pag-upo ko po. Nung nagawa na po nung hindi pa ako nakaupo.
Yung first building.
Yung first building, Your Honor.
Yes. That was in 2019.
That was in 2019 po.
And there are 42 buildings. Ang ibig nyo pong sabihin, yung 41 buildings, hindi nyo po alam na tinayo?
Alam po namin kasi in-apply po nila ng, meron po, kompleto po lahat ng building permit, occupancy permit, and kung kailangan nyo po, we can provide you the permit na secure nila at nabigyan namin ng permit. Your
Kasi, Mayor, misleading yung sagot nyo kanina na when you came, nandun na mga yon. So in other words, in 2019, isang building lang, all the other buildings were constructed nung ikaw na ang mayor.
Yes, Your Honor. Pasensya na po siguro nung na ano ni Kong Dan. Ang sinasabi ko po yung building, yung first building nagawa na po kahit hindi pa po ako nakaupo.
According to the reports also, in 2023, nag-conduct kayo ng inspection din. Di po ba?
2023, yes, Your Honor. That's August 25, 2023.
Yes, August 25, 2023.
With the local police, Your Honor.
Yes, pero hindi rin po nyo na-inspect lahat yung lugar kasi nasa guardhouse lang kayo.
Hindi po, meron po kaming pinapasok naman po ang aming local police doon. Meron po kaming pictures na nakapasok po sila. Your Honor.
Hindi po kayo kasama noon?
Our inspection team, hindi po ako nakasama, Your Honor.
Kasi ang report sa akin hanggang guardhouse lang sila.
That was nung 2024 po.
May 3, 2024.
May 3,
2024.
May 3, 2024 po, Your Honor.
Dalawang inspection yung ginawa ninyo Isang August 25, 2023 at saka May 3, 2024.
Opo, Your Honor.
Nung una, pinapasok kayo. Bakit kaya nung May 2024, hindi na kayo pinapasok?
Siguro po kung baka yun yung ano ng may-ari sa yun yung
Kayo po ang mayor doon
directive po.
Hindi nyo kayang pasukin?
Nagkataon po hindi kami pinapasok, Your Honor.
Ano po?
Hindi kami pinapasok nga po, Your Honor.
At that point in time, May 2024, wala na silang lisensya from PAGCOR. Hindi na rin nyo ni-renew. Hindi po ba? And yet, you're not able to inspect it.
Actually, nalaman lang po namin yung wala na silang permit nung after the June 4 raid.
So, in other words, Mayor, hindi nyo po ginawa yung inyong trabaho nakapag-operate sila without you being able to inspect kung anong nangyayari. Pumapayag po kayo ng ganon?
Your Honor, dahil wala naman pong report sa amin na merong criminal acts dun sa area. Even the reports of the PNP, wala.
Mayor, there were 9 bodies, foreign nationals, patay, na idinap malapit dan sa area na yan. And you're not aware of that? Walang krimen na nangyari?
Your Honor, medyo malayo po yung area kung saan po dinamp yung dito. Dito po sa Manuali and Hacienda area. Pero upon the investigation of the PNP, galing po sila ng Manila. Dito lang po, sa amin lang po nadala, Your Honor. And we can provide you with the investigation of the PNP doon po.
Yeah, please provide this committee the IR.
Yes, Your Honor.
Of that
Opo.
incident.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Mr. Chair, marami pong salamat.
Thank you so much. The chair would like to recognize acknowledge the presence of Congressman Janet Garin, and she told me that she wanted to interpellate for another 30 minutes. Unfortunately, lucky for all of us, I said no. Okay.
Chairman,
Congressman Barbers, please.
Chairman, there was already a pronouncement made by the President as to the banning of all pogos, di ba, yesterday. And it is now time that we put to task PAGCOR to start the ball rolling, ika nga. Now, question, do we still need them in our next hearing?
The what? The PAGCOR?
The PAGCOR? Do we still need Chairman Altenco to come and join us in our hearing? And,
Well, I think we need to ask him to be present in the next hearing on Wednesday. Precisely, other members who wanted to have some queries
kasi,
as
Mr.
well.
Chairman, he has to get the ball rolling, ika nga. And there's a lot of things that he has to do, you know.
But I think he's a smart guy. And he can do that, what do you call that? The multitasking. He can do that. Since automated naman yung mga operation na yan, he can do that. Anyway, okay, lastly, okay, sa PAOK, ano po tayo, Thursday, Thursday, you will be leading the inspection on Thursday, 9 a.m. SM Mexico, no? So, doon po tayo, tapos coordinate with all the, the participants doon sa ating inspection. Okay? So, to all those members who wanted to be included, please be there at SM Mexico. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Saan doon exactly? So, si ano na lang po, si Yusek Cruz na lang mag-coordinate to all those members who wanted to participate. So, please, do sa members who are watching or present, if you wanted to join that inspection day, please advise the COMSEC. Your presence will be highly appreciated. You're raising your hand, Mayor Tapil?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. Doon po sa pagpunta nyo sa PORAC para po maalalayan ko kayo, yung sinasabi po namin na entry-exit sa Angeles para lang po mas makita at ma-explain po namin. Mas maganda po siguro if you will allow na nandun po ako, Your Honor.
Okay. So, we'll be coordinating with you through PAOK,
Yes.
ano? Para po dun sa, kasi unahin natin yung sa Mexico ba yan?
Kasi pag ganun eh.
Mexico, then sa inyo, and then probably Bamban kung... Sige, SDS.
Yung Mexico kailangan nating puntahan talaga. Kayo ang nag-recommend yan, di ba? Para at least makita natin. Okay? So sige, okay. Mexico at saka PORAC. Sige. Yusek, okay na yun, ano?
Hindi, sila
On Thursday, 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
This Thursday, yeah. Chairman, sige.
How about the LGU of the,
LG, Yusek Gilbert, siguro ikaw na po ang mag-ano sa kanila kasi you are the lead of this inspection.
Yes, sir. We'll just...
The mayor, the governor, opo, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lastly, you have submitted to us a timeline of what happened on June 4. Yun yung raid. Tapos, nung June 6, nagkaroon ng parang communication on a certain, I think, Alvin Constantino or Bong, and there's a conversation between that personality to a personality that is linked to Parmali, no? And they have mentioned a certain General Rodel, no? So we wanted to find out the yung veracity of this report of the timeline that transpired from June 4, June 6, June 11, and June 21. Can you kindly confirm, General Cruz or si Dr. Winston ba? If this conversation can be verified para malaman namin kung yung